It's speed 206, flat 20. Speed 180.
Start getting 1 minus 0 degrees, hit LS approach, but we got time. Delta overhead.
Radio altimeter.
Right.
Speed 160. Gear down, flat 40.
feels weird on the brakes.
It does, yeah. The brakes are catchy, I think.
Yeah.
After landing checklist, APU is coming on. Ignition is off. Wing cowl anti-ice is off. Probes are off. Windshield and window heat is off. Transponder is out off. Flaps are zero. Weather radar is off. Flight spoilers are retracted and trims are something sensible. Checklist is complete. APU is available. Exit 4 is your first left here.
Follow me inside. Yeah, standing there 20 years ago myself.
I love it when there's a group of kids and you wave at them, they all go, yeah.
I see that's why you always use the reverser, which is opposite of terminals and spotters, because otherwise it just looks like there's an issue with the engine.
Yeah, yeah. He has gone to the part of here, and he's.
Yeah.
Where has he gone?
Yeah, follow his blue, essentially the blue line, I think.
Okay. Yeah, the second blue line.
Yeah.
Looks like. Yeah, see the way that comes across here like that. There. Taxi lights coming off. Shut down, check this parking brake.